So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be doing an updated version on how to create your Talkatone account, which if the previous free method did not work for you, I'm sure this will work for you, because in my previous video there were a lot of comments that I should drop an upgraded method, that the Iceland is not working and all that. So here is the updated version for you. So first of all, as you all know, this the previous apps we use for the Telegram, for the Talkatone creation. So now what I'll do is I have to destroy this Iceland for me to be able to create another one. So what I'll do is I click on destroy permanently and click on destroy. So yeah, destroy. So now currently our Iceland will be destroyed. So as you can see here, there is no more work folder. So let's get started. First of all, if this is your first video in my channel, what you will do is you have to install this Iceland in your Play Store. Yeah, you have to install it, and please don't forget to also subscribe. So once you install it, I will start the procedure again as we did last time. So I will fast forward this side for sure to make the video more shorter. So here is just setting up the work profile. So alright, so now we are done with the Iceland work profile creation. So what I'll do now is let me go back. So it's loading because of the work profile folder that will be set up in your folders. So don't panic if you see it loading for a little bit. So just allow it to finish loading. So once it's done like this, my work profile will be ready. So let me check it out. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the work profile right here. So what I will do is now I'll just click on the work profile. So click on the work profile. As you can see here, this is my Play Store. So the work profile Play Store, you can see it with padlock. So I will click on it to sign up with. So I'm clicking on sign in. Click on sign in. So here I'm going to I'm going to pause this video and input and complete the sign in. So yeah, I'm the one next, and let's just do this and agree.
All right, so as you can see, I'm in already. So now what we need is, if you can see now if I search Talkatone here, sorry, Talkatone, you can see it's not here because my Play Store does not support Talkatone. So what I need is, let me download this VPN right here, VPNify, and install. So let me open it, and this, I need this VPN because I want it to change my location from, I want it to change my location, my Play Store location. So I will first stop and clear cache, just clear cache, not clear updaters. So, and here we're going with United States. Okay, let's wait for it to connect now. All right, so artist is connected. let's let's, let's go to our Play Store now. All right, as you can see, the interface of the Play Store has changed. So now if I search for Talkatone here, you can see it's shown. So let me just install. All right, so our Talkatone is also ready. So now what I need is we needed for the creation of account. So I will use the previous VPNs I used with some new ones. So let's go with the OpenVPN Connect. I'm going with here, OpenVPN Connect right here. You install it as well. Then the VPN server we use, VPN server, VPN server, this right here. Yes. Then after this VPN server, in my previous video I used Solo VPN, which I'm doing an updated video. So we are using a VPN called OVP Spider VPN. This, so we install this as well. So after this installation, I think so. No, let's just use this and see how it goes. All right. So you can see all our VPNs are ready and everything. So I'll just first stop this and clear all the data. So let's start with the OVP Spider VPN. You allow it. So let me check the South Korea servers. So alright, so I'm now connected to a South Korea server. So let me open my Talkatone. Let's check the sign up. Alright, so now we're clicking on sign up. And see, sign up. Alright, yeah, so you just, and remember, the reason some of you are having a lot of issues is that you guys tried registering a lot of times. So the Iceland is the best option. As you can see, I destroyed the Iceland, which is I'm registering new currently. So, and here I think we should go with sign up with Google. You can see is sign up. We are signing up, registering your account. So let's go with sign up with Google and see, yeah, this right here. So all right, let's leave it here first now for this VPN. So from here, what we should do is the OVPN, you also force stop the OVPN, and now we go to the VPN server. You click on later. Let's refresh. Let's see. There is no active QS. Let me just refresh again and see. So let me just go with this right here. And here you click on the here, this download right here. That's where you are clicking. So you click on me of this. You can see it. So